Hey, Shannon, I have to tell you.
What is it?
We're going to camp at Coney Island in New York.
Really?
Yes, and it's gonna be great.
Wow. I can't wait for that.
And that's not all. I invited Jennifer, Josepher, Jessica, Julia, Jenny, Ashley, Zoe, Donna, Missy, Flora, Camila, Chloe, Layla, Lydia, Ellie, and Maria Clara for the Coney Island trip.
Wow. Spectacular.
Spectacular indeed, Shannon.
Speaking of spectacular, me and Daisy are going for a trip in the Flower Kingdom.
I agree with you, Peach. But who's gonna guard the Mushroom Kingdom while we're gone?
Allow me, Daisy.
Okay, Eliza. I'll let you be in charge of the Mushroom Kingdom while me and Peach are gone.
Eliza, are you sure you know what you're doing? I'm not so sure about this.
Don't worry about me, Peach. I know you guard the Mushroom Kingdom back in the day. I am a professional.
Okay, I'll let you be a professional by guarding my kingdom, Eliza.
Thanks, Peach.
I will also help as well.
You too, Madonna.
Yes, Betty. Also, I sent Ellen Madsen to help us out. You got that right, Madonna.
You will guard my Mushroom Kingdom too, Ellen?
Yes, Peach. I will also guard the Mushroom Kingdom along with Madonna and Eliza.
Okay then.
Okay, Ellen, I can work with that.
Miss R, isn't Shanice and Shannon gonna have a good time at Coney Island?
Yes, I heard these two girls are gonna have a good time in New York.
I will also have a good time as well, Miss R.
Wow, how exciting.
I know, right, Shanice?
Miss R, I finished making your jacuzzi in your bedroom.
Thanks, Jennifer. Well, I'm going to the changing room to wear my swimsuit.
Okay then, Miss R. Jennifer, I didn't know you could build stuff.
That's because I take over Greta's place.
Oh, good to know.
Girls, what do you think about my new swimwear?
Wow, spectacular.
I know, right, Shanice? It's god-dang spectacular.
You look so spectacular in that swimsuit, Miss R.
Thank you so much, Shannon and Brown. This is my pink bikini with a rabbit on it.
Girls, I packed everything, now we're ready for our Coney Island trip.
Okay, Flora. Well, we gotta go, Miss R. Enjoy your new jacuzzi.
Okay, Donna, I hope you all have a good time.
Guys, I hope you are ready to see our latest project that Camilla and I did.
Oh. What is it, Josepher?
Well, you'll find out in 3, 2, 1.
Behold, our new vehicle, the motorized bicycle camper.
Wow! Spectacular!
I know, right, Miss M, Shanice, and Shannon. Spectacular, is it?
Wow! A new camper.
Beautiful. I can't wait to ride that.
That's gonna be an awesome ride.
I know, right, sis? I'm going to enjoy this.
Same here, Zoe. I am also going to enjoy this trip in New York City.
So am I.
Do you have any bags to go?
Of course we do.
We'll need those.
Come on! Hop into the camper. The people capacity with 20 people.
Well, let's get going.
Well, this tent is so cool.
What kind of inside is this tent? Wow, this is electric sink. Good thing this camper has electric power.
How to spill the water.
Ha 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 ha. Very funny.
This is a mini fridge.
I'm getting thirsty.
Me too, Miss M.
You're not the only ones, Miss M and Jenny.
True, Shanice. I'm thirsty.
Me too, Shannon.
Let's find the water bottles.
Wow. At least there are plenty of them. That's right, Miss Madsen. There's water bottles, sodas, and juice.
Look, a propane stove.
Yes, a propane stove. This thing where to cook and use propane gas.
And first of all, beds.
And how are we going to sleep because it's too small?
I wonder.
Here we are.
Wow. It's too hot in here.
So, this is Coney Island.
Wow. Spectacular.
I know, right, Flora? I really love Coney Island in Brooklyn.
So do I, Maria.
Same here, Flora.
Coney Island is very spectacular here.
Oh God.
Wow. Coney Island is very hot here.
Phew. That was a heat.
I'm hungry.
Are you hungry, Shannon?
Yeah.
All right, it's lunchtime. Time to cook some lunch.
Yummy.
Lunch.
Umbrella turn on to protect us from the heat.
Wow. I love how Josifer has a motorcycle camper.
I agree, Miss M.
I'm waiting for the lunch to be ready.
Yeah.
We have sausages, fries, pizza, sandwiches, chicken nuggets, hot dogs, plenty of water, and for dessert, ice cream.
Yummy. Chicken nuggets.
That's not all. Sodas.
Yay!
I had some fries and sausages.
I have a pizza.
I have a sandwich. What's in the sandwich?
This sandwich has bacon, beef, cheese, onion rings, and barbecue sauce.
Ooh.
I have hot dogs.
Yummy ice cream. Okay, are we going to do?
Time to dig in.
Yeah, let's.
This lunch is so delicious.
This pizza is the best.
Yeah.
Anyway, we need to finish our lunch.
That was delicious.
So, Shanice and Shannon, are you full? Yes, Miss M. That was delicious.
Yeah, what a stuffed. Excuse me.
Wow, Shannon. Your stomach must have really loved ice cream.
That's because my stomach is making happy noises.
I know, right?
Man, that was a good lunch.
I know, right, Ellie? That was heavenly.
Gee, I need a snack.
Don't worry, Ellie. I know a perfect place to grab a bite.
What is it, Lydia?
The Coney Island Snack Bar.
Oh boy.
Later, after Lydia and Ellie had a snack.
Missy and Jenny, I have a special surprise for you too.
Who is it, Shannon?
Girls, say hi to Mary J. Blige.
Did you say Mary J. Blige, the famous TV actor and singer of all time?
Yes, Jenny. Well, here she is.
Hi, everyone.
Oh. My God. Is that Mary J. Blige?
In the flesh, Miss Madsen.
Nice to meet you, Mary.
I saw that you played Monet Tejada on Power Book 2 Ghost, and it was awesome.
Yeah, I also listened to your best songs, include No More Drama, We Got Hood Love, Be Happy, and Be Without You.
Thank you so much, Jenny Madsen and Maria Clara de Corazon.
You're very welcome, Mary J. Blige.
So Mary and Maria Clara. What did you eat for lunch earlier? Me and Shanice had for lunch is sausages and fries.
Well, Shannon, what I ate for lunch is fried chicken and sausages.
And I ate for lunch is sausages, fries and fried chicken.
You eating sausages, fries, and fried chicken, and now you're burped.
Whoops, I'm burping.
Anyway, do you want to go for a swim in the ocean?
Of course I do, Maria.
Absolutely.
Me too.
And me 3, I'm changing into my swimsuit.
Oh yes. I am wearing a tankini with blue swim shorts.
You also have a tankini? Okay then.
So Maria, how do I look in this swimsuit?
You look so nice in that swimsuit, Shannon.
Thanks, Maria. Just like you and Jenny, I'm wearing a bra and swim shorts. I also don't like wearing one-piece swimsuits and bikinis.
I know, right? Also, I'm wearing a purple bikini with pink straps.
That's so cute, Shanice.
I heard you don't like wearing one-piece swimsuits. Anyway, let's go to swim.
Okay, Jenny. Let's go to the beach.
So Shanice and Shannon, is this ocean really cold or not?
It's not, Maria. That water is too warm.
Yeah, it is so warm in this water. It's so refreshing.
I agree, Shanice. It reminds me of a hot spring.
I agree, Jenny. Also, I love it when New York City had so many people.
I agree, Maria. I wish I could visit New York sometimes.
So can I, Jenny.
I agree, I like swimming in the water.
I love it when the water is warm and nice.
I know, right, Jenny? Right now, my legs are tired. Let me relax. Ah, that feels so much better.
Wow! Shannon! You're floating your buoyant body? Amazing!
That's right, Jenny, just like Lydia Copsey. My body is so buoyant, it floats easily in the water.
I love floating like this.
I agree, it's so relaxing.
I agree, Shanice and Maria. Let's float our bodies for a while.
It's sunset. What are we going to do to light a fire?
Matches?
Propane gas?
No, this time we're using a lighter to start the campfire.
Wow, a campfire.
And how to sit with us.
Don't worry, I have a chair for everyone.
Okay, are you stuffed? Good. Hey, are you ready to tell a story? I sure am ready.
Bet this is gonna be interesting.
Okay.
Okay. This is the story about a girl whose name is Marissa. Marissa had always been drawn to the old, abandoned house on the outskirts of town. Rumors swirled that it was cursed, that anyone who ventured inside would never come out again. But Marissa didn't believe it. She was a skeptic, always looking for logical explanations behind the supernatural. One dark and stormy night, Marissa decided to explore the house for herself. She grabbed a flashlight and crept inside, her heart racing with excitement and a touch of fear. The creaking floorboards beneath her feet seemed to echo through the empty halls.
After Camilla finished telling them a scary story.
Oh gosh, this is a scary...
I know, right?
That was the scariest story ever. I don't want to experience this ever again.
Wow, I'm so scared by this scary story.
So am I.
Ditando.
I'm with you, Julia and Jessica. That was the scariest story I've ever heard, right, Shannon? Shannon?
Oh my god. Shannon has fallen asleep.
Wow. That scary story made her passed out. I know, right, Layla? She's not the only one who got knocked out, look. What? Maria passed out too? Unfortunately, yes, Miss M.
Oh my god, I can't believe that Camila's story has made them fall asleep.
That's because they're getting tired of her story that's making them going to sleep. But, thank goodness, Shannon cured her blurriness with her glasses.
I know, right, Flora? She looked good in glasses too.
So do I, Jennifer.
Is anyone getting sleepy yet?
I'm starting to get tired.
Me too.
Oh man, this is so exciting for the first day of Coney Island camping.
Good morning, Coney Island.
What a beautiful morning.
We're back.
What should we do this morning?
What a boring morning.
I know, right?
Anyway, let's go on another adventure.
Yeah, let's go and see Mary J. Blige perform on stage.
Did you say Mary J. Blige?
That's right, Camilla, the famous TV actor and singer of all time.
Wow! Let's do that. Okay, I can't wait to see her perform on stage.